Hi, this is Roger, thanks for dropping by. I've dealt with this now as far as I can. I thought I'd stand here next to the tree. See, I'm standing upright, so you can see the angle of the tree now, and you can use the top of the fence as a horizon. Yeah, it's over at quite an angle, and you can see how much it's moved by where the shadow on the fence was. I've taken some pictures and sent them to the agent with the comments that were made by the tree guys that were around here doing some work for me. They're tree specialists, they know what they're talking about. So I'll show you the pictures that I've taken, stick some words on them as to what they represent, and see what you think. I'm reasonably certain I've done as much as I can now. If this tree goes over, first of all, I won't be happy because all my stuff's in the shed and that will just get flattened. But the cost of sorting it all out could be excessive. This neighbour here wanted to do something about this tree. When I went round to see her about dealing with this hedge, she wanted to do something, but her men wouldn't touch it because it didn't belong to her. I think she would be amenable for tree people to come and deal with this tree from her side, where there may be reasonable access. If not, there may be access over that corner there. Obviously the property boundary goes through there, there's one property there and another one over there that people are, I believe, moving into if they haven't already done so. Both of those properties would give access relatively close to the tree. There's no access in this property, not with that silly little alleyway. Anyway, have a look at the pictures and the words that go with them, and I just hope I get a result. See you next time.